Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Ariel Nicole. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you are new, welcome, and if you're returning, thanks for coming back. So in today's video, I wanted to do a springtime wearable look. So I use the Too Faced Chocolate Bonbon palette. I'm very excited for this one. It is so nice and it smells like chocolate, which is even better. So yeah, I used a couple, actually all the colors that I created in this look I used from the palette. And yeah, I absolutely love this look. It is fresh, it is easy, it is subtle, it is so nice. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video and let's get into it. Okay, so I already did my brows, primed my eyes, and today I'm using the Too Faced Chocolate Bonbon palette. Super cute. What I love about this palette is that it smells like chocolate, which is always super fun when doing your makeup. So this is what the palette looks like. It has a bunch of chocolate colors, some pinks, a really cute palette, and I'm very excited to create a look with it. So grabbing my go-to brush lately, the Morphe Y19. It's just like a blending brush. Mine's a little dirty. Oops, sorry. I'm going in with the color Almond Truffle, and I'm just popping that right on my crease to create a base for all the other colors.
Before you came round, I was heading for a small disaster.
Then I'm going in with the color Mocha and applying that right over the top of Almond Truffle to create more of like a dimension in the eye.
Before you came round, I was ready to blow me down.
Okay, now I'm going to go in with the color Malted, I think. It's like a chocolate with some light sparkle, and I'm adding that on the outer edge of my eye, all with the same brush. Then I'm going to go back in with the color Mocha and just blend everything together just to make sure we have a seamless effect. Okay, now I'm grabbing the Morphe S4. It's just like a flat shader brush, and I'm going in with the color Molasses Chip. It's such a pretty like caramelly gold color, and I'm grabbing that and just popping it on my lid. Do you guys see it? So pretty, so subtle, definitely wearable, so don't be afraid to like really pack on the color. It's so pretty. Okay, and I'm going back in with the color Mocha and just blending everything out again, making sure we don't have like a harsh line between shadows or anything like that. And then going back in with Malted and adding it on the outer corner, blending up ever so slightly, just like that. Okay, so depending how you want to wear this look, you can totally just add a little bit of Fix Plus or the Mario Badescu Rose Water Spray to your eyeshadow brush and then dip it in the shadow, and then that will intensify the eyeshadow look. But again, totally up to you and how you want to wear it. So today I'm going for a more wearable look, so I won't be doing that today, but I do it all the time, so I highly recommend doing that. Okay, now I'm going to line my upper lash line with Bobbi Brown eyeshadow in the color Sable. I feel like I've been doing this a lot recently and it just looks really nice in my opinion. And then just angled brush, just gonna line that. And up to you, you can do brown, you can do black. I chose brown today because again, I want this to be a wearable look. But if you're going for like a more nighttime look, or if brown really isn't your color, go for the black. I used to go for the black all the time, but like I said, I've been doing this a lot recently. Alright, super simple. Now I'm just going to add mascara. I'm using the Maybelline Total Temptation mascara. Actually, no. I'm going to use the Lancome Grandiose mascara. This one helps spread out my lashes and elongate them, which I like to use as my first base coat for mascara, and then I go in with the Maybelline one. That one adds more volume and like makes your lashes look super full. Okay, now I'm going in with the Maybelline Total Temptation mascara. Now I'm going to do my face. I'm starting off with primer. I'm using the Too Faced Hangover Primer. Great. Then I'm using my go-to Revlon, what is this? Oh, Revlon Color Stay foundation, the one I always use and I always forget the name. Going in with my little beauty blender or Morphe sponge. Okay, now I'm going in with the Tarte Shape Tape concealer. Back in with the Morphe Beauty Sponge and just blending everything out. Okay, now I'm setting everything with the Sephora Beauty Amplifier and my face powder. And my face powder brush, just packing it on. Now I'm gonna go back in with the palette, and I'm using the color Mocha in a super small brush. I'm gonna go back in with that color Mocha and just smoke out my lower lash line. Just like that, super quick, super easy. Now I'm gonna bronze my skin. I'm using the Rimmel bronzer with the Morphe R13. Wow, the name completely wore off because I use it so much. I'm just bronzing up the skin. Okay, then I'm using the MAC blush in the color Melba. This color I am so obsessed with. I've been using it so much. It's like my go-to for sure. Just adds such a nice natural color to your complexion, which I really like. And it's like more on the peachier side than the pink side. So I absolutely love that blush. Super cute, so pretty. Like subtle, but definitely buildable. Then I'm gonna set my brows in place, making sure that they don't go anywhere because mine tend to be a little crazy. Okay, now for lips, I want to do something a little bit subtle, but add a little, gloss. So I'm using the Buxom gloss in the color Samantha. It's just this pretty peachy, shimmery gloss. I know most people add it over top of something, but I'm just going straight on my lips. Guys, this lip color is so beautiful. I absolutely love it, and I feel like it definitely completed the look. It is so simple, it's so pretty, so wearable. So yeah, definitely recreate this look, or try to recreate this look and like add your own twist to it, and let me know in the comments below if you guys like this video. But yeah, this is the end of my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it so much. If you did, please remember to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I would love to have you guys as subscribers, and if you have any questions at all, again, leave them in the comments below. Alright guys, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.